In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from creative to hirer on Behance. If you use Behance to showcase your work but now need to post roles, find talent, or manage hiring, switching your account view from creative to hirer is quick and straightforward. This change simply updates what you see and which tools are front and center. It won't delete your projects or alter your profile. It just puts hiring features within easy reach. Start by opening your web browser and going to Behance.net. For this to work, you'll need to be signed in to your Behance or Adobe account. If you don't see options related to your profile, double-check that you're logged in because the menu we need only appears when you're authenticated. Once the Behance homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It may appear as your profile photo or as a generic avatar if you haven't added an image yet. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu is where Behance keeps quick controls for navigating your profile, settings, and, most importantly for today, your role switcher. In the menu that appears, select Switch to Hirer. That single click changes your Behance experience to the hirer view. You'll notice the interface highlight tools designed for discovering creatives, posting opportunities, and managing outreach. Think of it like toggling modes. Your creative work stays intact. You're just telling Behance that right now, you're acting as someone who hires. If you don't immediately see the change, give the page a moment to update or refresh your browser. Some users also find it helpful to open a new tab after switching, especially if multiple Behance pages were already open. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you explore. Your visibility to others remains the same. You're not switching to a separate account, just changing the features you use. Your profile, projects, and followers are preserved, so there's nothing to re-upload. When you're in the hirer view, you'll be able to more easily search for creatives, save candidates, and access tools that streamline outreach. And if you ever want to return to the creative view, you can use the same profile icon menu to toggle back. It's designed to be flexible so you can move between creating and hiring whenever your workflow changes. That's all there is to it. Go to Behance, click your profile icon, and choose Switch to Hirer. With that, you're set up to find talent and manage opportunities without any disruption to your creative presence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined hiring workflow on Behance.